Start by creating a new drawing using the advanced wizard. Or select the BR/PW English seed file. Or rename it to your typical naming convention for a contour or a construction layout map. We're going to launch the associated program. In this case, we're going to fit all of our drawing, and we're going to select all. We're going to unlock all elements. There's a locked element, which is the Conform cell. We're going to delete them all. Start out with a fresh, clean drawing. Now we're going to reference in the base file. We want to make sure to coincident world and our master scale set 1:1. And say OK. To get our view to look normal for us, we're going to rotate the view 2 points. And now our alignment set in horizontal. We're going after the sheet cell. And sheet with construction layout. Clip shape is the one I'm using. In this case, we know that we're doing a 15 scale sheet. Now we're going to move the sheet into position. I'm going to move from the middle of this clip shape to my alignment. To center line of the alignment. Then I'm going to move in the horizontal direction from the middle of the clip shape. Stay in horizontal. I'm going to move it to the center line of the bridge. Middle of the bridge. Now we're going to drop the sheet cell so we can get to that clip shape. We're going to clip the reference based on that clip shape. Now merge into master. Now we have ownership of this drawing. And no, we don't need this big text. Get rid of that. I'm going to go set my drawing scale. In this case it's 15 scale. Save. I will go put the project-wise title block in. Snap it to the lower left corner. In GEOPAK, we're going to use DTM tools to come up with our profile. That tool, we want to select the second one down, which is profile. We want to load a 10 file with the magnifying glass. 10 files are located in the survey folder of your project. Next, we want to set the symbology of what the existing ground is going to be. So I'm going after the existing ground through Conform. Draw a little segment, and then I can right click here can say by element and identify that element. I'm just deleting that element. I don't trust whatever was loaded in there, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And now with this information, we're going to add that. To get your profile, you need to select that tool. Now you're going to snap to all the PIs in your alignment. In this case, I just have the 2. Here's your grids and your elevations and stationing. I'm going to add just a little padding to the top and bottom of the minimum maximum. The stationing isn't real stationing, that's just how long it measured the line that you just traced. There's your vertical and horizontal grid. So I'm going after the grid lines for the major and minor. Get rid of the trash element here. Let's set the major symbology by the element for both vertical and horizontal. The same thing for the minor. And get rid of those little sample lines. I have created some settings that you can go load. It's on the J drive, MicroStation, KDOT NS workspace, GEOPAK Bridge DTM data. And there's all the different skills that you will use. That should set up the text. Should set up some major and minor symbology for your grid too. Now we can go place this profile. We know the beginning station should be that solid station that we picked to begin. Now we have the drop the complex shape that this is. We'll move the text out and start cleaning up the labeling. Start typing in my stations. Move the elevations off that grid so you can see them. I want to align all this a little better. It's a cell or line string, so we're going to drop that line string. Then you're going to horizontal align that text. Now we're going to vertically center the stations. We're going to conform this file. Find everything that starts with BR for the line styles and change them all to that. You can see here it's hitting on a feature that I need to add the road dictionary to. So I'm going to show you how to unbrand and rebrand file. Let's start all over again. Now we're past that element. Now we're going to the BR underbar stream bed. Stationing, we're going to change to mainline stationing. Number 5. Again, going to the BR underbar element. This is some stuff that we don't need from the road file, so we're going to just use the Conform to delete it. Delete all matching. Same thing with this feature that it found. Stuff that we don't need in our file. I'll run it again until it comes up clean. Just going to show you that the clip shape is a construction element, so you turn those on and off and it will not print. That's your file.